So we're going to be working around Maggie's mouth and finishing up using Vobella. And it's going to treat the little vertical lip lines and also help etch out the lines that are formed around the jowls. Okay? You ready for more?
Yes, I am.
Let's get it going. Good. Okay, we're going to start on this right side here. Big poke. I know, huh? Woo! Going right in this little tiny little groove here of the vermilion border. It is a little bit of a stiff poke there. I know it hurts. But adding in a little structural support there will help with those lines. And you can already see, here's a big line here. So I'm going to first go on the vermilion border and give a little bit of strength. It's like creating a little bit of a dam where there's a break in the dam. Okay. Now, what's really important about the next step is you don't want to just leave that edge there. We want to go back over and add a little bit above the lip line. And this will actually help soften that edge. And right here, so things don't look like the duck look. We don't want the duck. No ducks. Alright, oh, that looks great. Go right into that little line. Vobella is a great product for vertical lip lines because it won't bulk you up and it's a nice edger. And really it's what we need around the mouth to soften lines. Alright, go ahead and just relax your mouth. Good. Now, Maggie's also got some thick lines that are here for the jowl, so I'm going to use a little of this. Oh, and just soften these. Alright, that looks great. Now we're going to do the left side. Here's a poke. Ooh, that's the big poke. Oh. Etching out the vermilion border will give you the look and the appearance of bigger lips without actually doing it in the lips. So it's a great way to get a little plump in your pout. Here's a poke. And as we age, the mouth naturally turns in on itself. And you don't have to be a smoker to get vertical lip lines. Okay, so there's the two first pokes right there on that little vermilion border. And then I'm going to go back above it. And this will help etch it out with a gradual, so we don't get that ridge. Looking good. Okay, the remainder of this I want to go and just soften these lines. A little bit more. Vobella is like the icing on the cake. You got the cake, the frosting, and now the icing on the cake. Here's Maggie's final results of having 1 syringe of Vobella per side on the vermilion border and a little bit in the corner of her mouth. And then here's her after pics of having the full liquid facelift 2 weeks after with a little bit of light makeup.